Hi, I'm Craig from Hytec Hydroponics, and today we're going to be showing you how to connect your AC Infinity AI Plus controller to Wi-Fi. We've had a few customers recently struggle to get to grips with this straight away. Let me reassure you, it's really easy. So we've put together a video for you showing you how to connect to Wi-Fi. Just follow along and you'll be up in no time.
First of all, download and install the app on your Android or iPhone. Then select Add Device and choose Controller AI from the menu. To activate pairing mode, hold the button on the controller for 5 seconds until you see it flash on the screen. The controller will then search for your phone. Once your phone and controller have found each other, select Connect to Wi-Fi and make an account.
So now your AC Infinity controller is connected to Wi-Fi, you should be up and running. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.